Right. Hallo. Kom ons kyk gou na hoofstuk 4 van I Am David. All right. So David was brutally attacked by a boy because the boy thought, so this was while he's traveling. So he was in the concentration camp. The guard helped him escape. Then he went to Salonika, so die Salon, maar die Ika aan die einde. Then he went to Italy. The sailors found him and he swam to the coast of Italy. Then he was there in a town. He left the town. He met the English tourists. And now he ran into this boy. And the boy brutally attacked him. Because the boy thought because the boy thought David wanted to steal his things. So he attacked David. So David thought the boy was rotten, worthless, and evil. So for David, attacking another person is absolutely a very wrong, bad thing to do. But David did not fight back. He laid on the ground and he waited until it was all over, and then he ran away. So David did not want to fight. He just wanted to be left alone and be peaceful. Then David saw the shed was on fire. So when the shed was on fire, David did the following. So firstly, he was very smart about it. He jumped into the river to make his clothes wet. And then he ran to the shed. He put the wet clothes in front of his face so that he doesn't inhale all the smoke. So he put the wet clothes in front of his face, and then he ran into the fire to save the girl. The girl and her family were very grateful, and they said that David must come stay with them. They also gave him clothes and medical care. Okay, so then David saved this girl, and the family said, oh, come stay with us. And what did they give him? A place to stay, clothes, and medical care. And they're in their house. For the first time in his life, David saw a bathroom, pajamas, a set table, so die tafel was gedek met die messe en vurke en alles. For the first time in his life, he saw cutlery and a bedroom and a soft bed. So these were all things that he's never knew about, because in the camp where he grew up, they didn't have that. So then let's look at chapter 5. So he's still with the family. And in the family's house, the thing that he enjoyed the most was the bathroom. And the other kids played a game where one person was a soldier and other people were the captives. Dis mos is wat kinders speletjies speel en so aan. Maar hy wou nie saam met hulle gespeel het nie. He didn't want to play because he grew up in a concentration camp and he thought it was evil. So he thought, why would the kids want to play a game about such an evil thing? David thought that everyone has the right to be free and that you shouldn't play games where, even if you play games where people aren't free, it's not right. Okay, so now let's look at what his feelings about other characters. Okay, so Andrea, so he liked Andrea. Carlo, he thought Carlo was evil. Maria, so he wanted to be around Maria because she understands him. And then the two little boys, he liked them, but he didn't understand them. He thought they were like, he said they were like two animals stumbling around. Okay, so dat is soos van klein kindertjies wat hy soos van, ek verstaan nie wat julle doen nie. Julle is net hier oral rond en dit maak nie vir hom sin nie. But he liked them. They weren't, but he just was like, what are these kids doing? Okay, and then the mother, she was not sincere. She pretended to like David, and David played along. But David knew that she was not sincere and she didn't really like him. And then the father, he was sincere. David liked him, and he was a sincere guy. So hy het gesê wat hy bedoel. Hy het nie een ding gesê en op 'n ander manier opgetree nie. Okay, the mother didn't like David. Okay, so hoekom nie? She didn't like David because she didn't want David to influence her children. Sy het gedink hy gaan 'n slegte invloed wees op haar kinders. So she didn't like that David spent time with Maria, and she didn't understand him. So jy kan dink, jy weet, as die ma probeer haar eie kinders protect. So sy dink, jy weet, hy het die meisie gehelp wat in die shed was, toe die shed aan die brand was, en hulle is weet, probeer vir hom sorg, maar op dieselfde tyd is sy wil nie hê hy moet iets doen wat haar eie kinders gaan beïnvloed nie. En sy's weird. Ag, David is weird. Sy verstaan nie regtig hoekom David is soos wat hy is nie. En daarom hou sy nie daarvan as David saam met Maria is nie. So dis hoekom sy nie van hom gehou het nie. En toe het David besluit hy moet loop. So then David left, but before he left, Maria gave David a golden cross with little seed pearls on it. So Maria gave him, like, it's a small little cross and it had little seeds on it before he left, so that she can say goodbye. And then let's look at the next 2 chapters in the next video.